Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my, what month is it? February favorites. I have a lot of bougie shit for you. I also have some electronics, really fun stuff. Let's get started. I got from Living Pro. They are that I've been loving. This is the 4-in-1 lady shaver. These are the 4 brush heads. You also have this, and it's super easy to change out. So if you want to use like this head for washing, so it's really easy to change out. You just take the different heads off and you can use it for whatever you need. So this is really a convenient product. If you are shaving or trimming any parts of your body, it leaves it very smooth. Like sometimes if I'm like late for a workout and I'm running out the door and I need to like shave my pits real quick because I'm in a tank top, I'll just take this and go zzz, 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 and it's so nice because like you don't have to get it wet, you don't have to like get a razor, and it's safe, it's painless, it is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower. You can recharge it with this, which is really nice, and it comes with like a charger, so you can just throw it back on here and charge it. There's like a 12-month money-back guarantee, so if it breaks on you, if it doesn't work, you can get your money back. If you like to do pedicures at home, so this is a callus remover. So if you work out a lot like I do, I get calluses on my feet, but mainly just like in certain parts. And so this comes with 2 different heads. This one is just like a softer grain, and this one's a little bit more coarse. Softens the callus on your feet and like maybe like the sides of your toes or anywhere like you might even have calloused hands or anything. This does a really good job to kind of soften the edges and get those calluses to not be so callous. Portable, it's super easy to clean. It has 2 different speeds on here, so if you have sensitive feet or you're just sensitive in general, you do have the option to have it like at a lower speed or a more intense speed. It also comes with like cleaning tools to clean them off, but if you love to do your own pedicures at home, which I sometimes do in between getting them professionally done, soak my feet for 10 minutes, dry them off, use this, and then just moisturize and paint, and I'm telling you, my feet are so nice, and nobody really likes feet, but this makes them extra nice. So I do have a 15% off coupon code, which I will link below. You can purchase it in 2 different sizes, Amazon or the Living Pro site. It's Save 15. I will link it below. You're welcome. Moving on to my other things, I have forgotten how obsessed I am with this foundation. It is the Tom Ford Traceless Foundation in the stick form. I'm obsessed. I'm wearing it today. Every time I wear this, I mean, like as of late, my skin looks so good. It's a medium to full coverage. It's very buildable. I love the smell of it. It kind of just smells like, I don't know, it's nostalgic for me. It kind of smells like Barbies or something. Not too sure about that, but honestly, it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I love how it's very blurring. You can take it on the go, and it's rivaling my La Prairie. When I put this on, it's like the perfect satin matte finish. Love my skin when I'm wearing this. The next product that I'm actually wearing today is this La Prairie powder. Oh, you get so much product for the money. This is $100, but it comes a travel size, which I'm not even like put a dent in the travel size. That's how much product you get with this. You also get this Big Daddy as well. This is like the best matte powder, and it is one of the best powders to bake with. If you want that flawless matte kind of like porcelain skin finish, you've got to try this. I am telling you, it is the best powder. I know I talk a lot about setting powders, but this is worth every penny. This will last you like for so long. I don't even know how you could even get through this in a lifetime, to be honest. Okay, I forgot to tell you that I'm in the shade Fawn in this, and it's the perfect shade for me. This product I've been loving is the SkinCeuticals HA Intensifier. I used this prior to my retin-A, and it really helps my skin to be moisturized. It's very refreshing when you put it on, and it's a really nice like addition to your skincare routine. These lines right here, it helps with those. It helps with anything, any type of wrinkles. If you want your skin to be plump and you want your skin to be as moisturized as you can, I definitely think that adding a hyaluronic acid product to your daily regimen is really gonna do wonders for crepey, dry, wrinkly skin. So this is a good one. I think it's less than $100. The best neck cream that a girl could ever ask for. This is the Bare Minerals Ageless Genius Firming and Wrinkle Smoothing Neck Cream. Honestly, I feel like as soon as I put this on, I'll like use it and I'll just kind of zhuzh it up, and I feel like it's airbrushing my neck wrinkles away. It has a really nice citrus smell. It's very refreshing, and if you are over 30, I mean, you definitely probably want to use a neck cream. The BRIOGEO, I don't know how to pronounce it, Skin Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Exfoliation Shampoo. Say that 20 times fast. I'm floored with this product and how well it works. I think I had the same concerns that a lot of you expressed, is that is it going to fade my hair? Is it going to strip it? It does none of that, but it's a really, really good cleansing exfoliator for your hair. It leaves your scalp really tingly. It smells like peppermint, clarifying shampoo. So how I use it is I'll shampoo first, use this, and then condition. My scalp are left really, really rejuvenated, and my hair feels light and fluffy. And I just think this is such a great product, especially if you use a lot of dry shampoo and a lot of hairspray. You want to probably use this like once a week just to unclog like the hair cuticle so your hair can grow and be healthy. So if you're having a hard time growing your hair out, you may want to try something like this to just really remove any type of buildup. So it doesn't strip your hair at all, nothing like that. It's really legit good, and I absolutely love it. 2 lip products that I cannot get enough of is the Anastasia Pure Hollywood. There's something about this particular shade that looks good, and I always get a lot of questions what I'm wearing when I wear it. So I wore this last video with the Snitch liner, lined my lips with Snitch, and then I used this, and it's like the best mauve-y nude ever. I just think it was so uber popular when it came out because I think JLo wore it, and ever since then I think that this is worth it 100%. I know this can make your mouth look like a cat's butthole. I totally get it. But if you can apply it right with maybe like a balm or something, it really does last a long time. It's not the best formulation out there for liquid lipsticks, but it is a good one. And this, honestly, this color is worth your mouth looking like a cat's asshole. I am wearing this one today, and I'm obsessed with this formulation. It's the Buxom Vava Plump, and this is Taupe It Off. This is not only one of my favorite colors, which is kind of like a nudie taupe, but the formulation is bomb. It's very like, it's like a mix between a lipstick and a gloss and a liquid lipstick, kind of all in one. So you basically get the best of both worlds. And I love the applicator because it's kind of like this, it has like this ridge right there. So it's really easy to apply. You can just kind of line the outside of your lips with it, so you really don't need a liner. And the color is amazing. Definitely need to check this formulation out. And this a lot, like kind of as like an everyday blush, and that is Physicians Formula Plum Rose. It's kind of like a nudie mauve color, but it is so pretty and it's affordable. Oh, it smells like pina coladas, and I just think it's such a nice kind of everyday formulation. Of these are really good, so it just kind of gives you that satiny cheek, if you will, and I just love the color. It almost reminds me of this shade. Yeah, it kind of does. They kind of go together. One of my favorites. And lastly is this bronzer from Gucci Mane. It is the Caribbean Ochre. I've been wearing it constantly, and it's the perfect bronzer to really wake up the face and make it actually look like you've been out in the sun. So you just cannot overdo it with this particular bronzer. It's the, like, I know what you're thinking. It's like legit the perfect shade to wear for light to medium skin, or even light to fair, because you really can't overdo it. It's a great buildable satiny matte bronzer. I'm obsessed with it, and it's just been on hand this month. Yeah, I hope you guys subscribe, like this video, and thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you next time.